Mm, After graduation, I plan to pursue a aircraft maintenance license. Following that, I want to develop my career in aviation engineering. I hope that in the next 5 to 10 years, I can obtain a higher certification to become a professional maintenance management engineer. I think work and life work and life balance beside my career. I really enjoy playing sport like badminton, football, or something like that. Mm, I hope this activity will help me connect with everyone at a high goal.